am RUPRAJ Shah. I am welcoming all of you on behalf of EduLearnz Training and Tutorial Center, our RUPRAJ Sir Classes initiative. About myself, I am RUPRAJ Shah. I am an assistant professor of BBA of a management college located at Kolkata, which is affiliated to McCourt University. About my educational qualification, I have done my MBA and BBA. After that, I have worked in two different corporate companies. And about my additional qualification, I am to add on, I have been certified from IIT Roorkee regarding training of teaching. So I have about 5 years of teaching experience, and I have taught more than 150 students from different universities throughout India. And at my coaching center, I believe that a personal guidance is always required for a successful career. So here at EduLearnz, we are providing the classes for the MBA, BBA, BCOM, MCOM, class 11, 12, commerce, which include accountancy, business studies, economics, and also we are providing the MBA entrance classes, that is math examinations tuitions, CAT examination tuition, XAT, SNAP, and also for the other government service examinations. Here we believe that the student's success is most important for us. So I want to add some key features of my coaching classes. The number one features which is most important, it is the most affordable fee structure which you can pay on a monthly basis. Number two is that there's a one-to-one classes is also there and group classes is also there. Number three, your fee structure include the free study material and notes of all the subject of MBA, BBA, BCom, MCom, 11, 12 and Math, CAT, XAT, SNAP. And also the number fourth feature, there's a student flexible class timings are there. Suppose if you are working, you want classes at late night, you can also attend the classes in the online mode. And also we are providing some guidance for the admission for a higher studies to select the best colleges throughout India. If you are thinking about the BBA tuitions, MBA tuitions, BCOM tuitions, feel free to contact with me, and also for the 11, 12, MCOM, BCOM and CAT, Math, XAT, SNAP as well. I am ready to share my real life experience with you with all the subject that you have which require a real life example. I am ready to share with you some real life example with you to make your subject more and more clear to you. And also we provide the case study solve, so which can help you for the management students which is required in the real corporate world. So in this competitive environment, you have to be very fast. So that's why you require some classes which can help you better guidance and about to make a more clarity about your subject. So if you really want, then feel free to contact with me. I have shared my WhatsApp number, my email ID, so you can feel free to contact with me at any point of time. From my side, my best wishes to all of my viewers who are watching this video for your future endeavor. Thank you so much. And once again, if you want to really join my classes, feel free to contact with me and attend a free demo class, and we are expecting a long-term relationship with you. Thank you so much.